You have the objectives, brothers. Secure all areas held by separatists. Let's get this done.
Go.
5 minutes, basically.
I know, bro. We're going out.
Our current objective is to secure a droid
Bring on the
command post.
power!
Then we
Wait,
can
what are we
move
playing?
on. Let's go, brothers.
Missions.
Hey, yo, this is a lot easier.
It's probably how they level up the guys fast too. Some of the fighters get missions. Oh my god, just reload. Gatling gun works good when you can just say you're a fish.
Yeah. I get sniped right there. You're gonna have to go to 5.
Already level 6 with my heavy
Just
gun.
joined the enemy.
Yeah, this is definitely the way to level up. Clearly.
We post them back. First stage done,
What we need to do is
boys.
get all leveled up and then go blade up. Waiting for objective.
While the generals sort out this
Yeah,
mess,
so hard there to
we
wait
will
to get
attack
it up.
these new clanker positions.
Yeah, flankers.
Damn!
Help!
What?
There's a lizard man!
Did you just die?
Oh, fuck!
Dead.
Fuck!
Oh god, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. Oh my god, I'm dead.
What the heck? How do I get back?
Right here.
Nah, he just came out of the corner of the bus. Oh, fuck, it's this guy again.
Come here, bitch!
Yes. Got them everywhere.
What's that?
He's fucking against us!
I've got you.
Bitch behind you!
Guys, I think have more health in this zone, don't they?
Seems the arch-clanker Grievous has joined the battle.
These guys are like a bunch of rolling bitches.
Get to use the play of fucking actual people.
Oh god, there's guys with lightsaber! Oh my god!
Oh my good lord.
I need help! I need help!
How do I get help?
Got robots! Guys with lightsabers! These guys are like bosses.
Move forward.
Die, bitch! Oh my god. Oh my god. Grenade out! There's so many!
Chris, turn around!
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm about to be Yoda.
Dude, this thing takes forever to tap. Oh my god.
I know, right? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm dead. No way. Oh my god, that dude is hard to beat. There we go, Jesus. General Reader's over.
Alright, they're all down there at this fucking point.
Oh my god!
Dark Mount is me.
I'm fucking code.
Oh god! Heal! Heal!
It was definitely fun.
God! I got it.
We got 3 minutes.
What the fuck?
Oh, what the hell?
I just got killed so hard my game got
Did it really?
It did.
Oh, I killed Darth Maul.
I'm with you, Yoda!
Let's go! Oh, I'm dead. Do I not have enough battle points? Come on, Bush Woogie!
Count Dooku has entered the battle.
Count Dooku's near!
Fuck that old man!
We need to capture it.
Trying.
We got a minute 58.
Dude! Oh, fuck. Oh, mission complete, but I'm dead as hell.
Oh, I'm getting shot from behind. What the fuck?
I'm dead! I'm dead. Dude, this boss guy is fucking annoying.
Boss, I got him. I got him. That grenade.
General Grievous has been spotted. This is it, boys. Got them cornered.
Grievous is
Oh
near!
god. Oh god. Count whoever.
Fuck him up!
It's fucking everywhere.
Flank defenses have imploded. They only have one position remaining. Attack!
I fucking killed Grievous!
We gotta go now. How slow you move with this skill.
While we kill him.
Going up. Oh, what we gotta get inside this thing?
I'm going up!
Fire ready!
Oh shit! Get away from me! Get away from me! Oh my god! Capturing!
I'm with you! Find us!
Got him. Throw grenade, buddy. Yeah, bitch.
Covering fire, go!
We finally got a victory!
Now there will be so much scrap. Well fought.
I took my fucking ass off!
That's nice and start.
Oh shit!
OG in this shit.
We all on top!
We got this shit.